நீ தெரியல அசிங்கமா ஐகால் அசிங்கமா வந்துட்டாங்களே அப்ப நீ எப்படி அட்மிட் பண்ண எல்லாரையும் வரும் வரதுல வந்து கேட்கும் யாரா வந்தாங்க இப்ப ஆனா ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு டைம் அட்மிட் பண்ணு அட்மிட் ஆயிட்டாங்க மூஞ்சி தெரியல அவங்க டாக்டர் வணக்கம் சார்.
சார் வணக்கம் சார்.
கிளியரா தெரியுது.
கிளியரா இருக்கா?
கிளியரா இருக்கு. என்ன நமக்கு தெரியணும்.
ஆபீஸ் பேஸ் ஆமா ஓ அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும்ல.
ஆறு வரல போல இருக்கு.
ஓபிசி மெம்பர்ஸ் தானே.
பேசல
ஆடியோ செக் பண்ணி
Mr. Muthukumar, we will get only 4 images.
சார் வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்
வணக்கம்.
நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
முத்து இவரை கூப்பிட்டுங்க. கனெக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருங்க. அது வந்துட்டீங்களா? வர நீங்க மியூட் பண்ற அன்மியூட் பண்ணணும்.
மேடம் வணக்கம்.
எங்க இதுல வருது, அவருக்கும் வரணும்.
சத்யா
அவர் இருக்காரு. அவர்
குட் மார்னிங், குட் ஈவினிங், குட் ஈவினிங், குட் ஈவினிங்,
குட் ஈவினிங்.
குட் ஈவினிங்.
More and more people are joining.
Coming on 4. Raji,
Not at 5 o'clock. We start at 5.
இவரு காணும், வெங்கட்ட காணும். வணக்கம் சார். செல்வராஜ் வந்திருக்காரு.
வணக்கம் வணக்கம்
வணக்கம். கேலக்ஸி சத்யா
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க சார்?
நல்லா இருக்குங்க. வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியே வர்றது இல்லையா?
நானும் தான், அதை பாருங்க, ஜெயிலுக்குள்ள இருக்கேன். இன்னைக்கு மூணாவது மீட்டிங் இன்னைக்கு அட்டெண்ட் பண்றேன். 3rd மீட்டிங் இன்னைக்கு. அதனால பிஸி. அதனால பிஸியா இருக்கேன்.
அப்படியா?
3வது மீட்டிங்.
When the meeting commences, I would request all of you to mute your mic so that you can hear me clearly.
சார் வாய்ஸ் பிரேக் ஆகுது. உங்களோட இது வாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் இதா கிளாரிட்டி
இல்ல எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணிடுங்கன்றாரு.
இல்ல, எக்கோ இருக்கு உங்க வாய்ஸ்ல. எக்கோ வருது.
நீங்க அந்த ரூம்ல உட்கார்ந்துங்க. அந்த ரூம்ல sitting here, அதனால அவர்
பிரசிடென்ட் இல்ல, டாக்டர் பாஸ்கர் வரல இன்னும்.
வரேனாரு
வெங்கட் வரல.
சார் டாக்டர் சார் வரேனாரு காலையில.
வருவார்.
ஐடி எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்கேன்.
Only thing is his images
ஆபீஸ் ஐடியிலே இருக்கா?
முத்துகிருஷ்ண டாக்டர் பேசுதா?
ஆமா சார், ஆமா.
செக்ரட்டரி சார் கொஞ்சம் நீங்க லிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும். உங்க பேஸ் தெரியல. ஓகே. நோ ஓகே.
Oh, okay.
So 2 minutes kaichu we'll start the meeting. We'll see whether any more people are joining.
Venkat Subbu joined, kaano avra?
If as it is, we are 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Bhaskar doctor will also come, connecting to audio. Okay, Ramsamy has come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people are there. That's good enough. That's good enough.
எல்லா இமேஜ் எப்படி வருது? எல்லா இமேஜ் வராதா?
Welcome ladies and gentlemen to this online meeting of our executive committee. I have already sent you the agenda, accounts, more importantly the prayer that we will be saying at the commencement.
தலைவர் இல்லைங்களா?
தலைவர் இன்னைக்கு வர முடியல, அவருக்கு தவிர்க்க முடியல. So I will be substituting for him because Dr. Bhaskar is also unable to operate picture. He will be only giving his voice. Who is this? So welcome ladies and gentlemen. We will commence the meeting with the universal prayer, of which a copy I have already sent you. I'll read it out, you can listen to it. And because it's a silent prayer, you don't have to again read it for yourself also. I'll read it. Before we begin this meeting, let us take a moment for the opportunity to be here. Together, all of us together towards the common goal. Guide us, O Lord, that we may be united in a spirit of mutual respect and exchange of ideas and goals as individuals as well as members of the institution, the interests of which we seek to serve. As always, we seek your sacred blessing, guidance, and inspiration in all our thoughts and decisions. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, that's the universal prayer which we will hereafter follow in all our meetings. Copies of it are sent on the email. We can even give you a card with the prayer printed on it. So the second item on the agenda is welcome. The president is unavoidably absent. He has to be away on a prior commitment. So he has asked me to look after this meeting. So I request who is the vice president, Dr. Rajalakshmi also can substitute for our president because she is one of our vice presidents. She can conduct the meeting. I will do most of the talking. You can only keep the agenda, track of the agenda. Then the minutes of the previous meeting held on 8th August. That has been printed in our journal, and if you have not already read it, I'll read it for you. As the lockdown was ordered to be observed in Tamil Nadu during August also, the EC meeting of Tansika was held virtually using the Zoom app on 8th August. 12 of the members participated. Mr. P. Kalimuthu, President, welcomed the members present. Mr. T. Rajsekharan, General Secretary, read out the minutes of the earlier meeting held on 4th July, which was also a virtual meeting. Referring to the proposal made in that meeting that the date of our 33rd AGM may be fixed as 20th September, he said that according to a recent circular from the Inspector General of Registration, it is not permissible for any association registered under the Societies Act to hold its AGM virtually. The business of the AGM has to be necessarily transacted at a physical meeting at which the members are present in person. In view of the clarification, Mr. Rajsekharan said it has become certain that the AGM has to be only a physical meeting. Whether we can hold such a meeting on 20th September would depend on whether the lockdown was fully lifted by that date. He therefore suggested that we may defer the decision on the matter and review the position at the meeting to be held on 5th September, that is today. Time time to file the reports to the registrar is available till 31st December 2020. They say they have extended it. The suggestion was approved. The accounts for the quarter ended 30th June 2020 was then presented by Dr. P.P. Ramsamy, the treasurer. He pointed out the salient features of the accounts and that the financial position was satisfactory. The accounts were approved subject to audit. There being no other subject for discussion, the meeting was closed after proposing a vote of thanks. That's in short, the minutes of the earlier online meeting we held. Now, before that, let us record our respects to the departed members. We have about 5 of them in the list. I'll read out the names and at the end, kindly observe a few seconds silence. First is element number 1270, Dr. P.T. Reddy, homeo practitioner. He was living in TVH Eden, United India Colony, Kodambakam, Chennai 24. He expired on 22 January 2020 at the age of 80 years. The next is LM number 627, Professor M. Tyagarajan. He was 92 years. He expired on 9th May 2020. He was a professor and management consultant at the I Institute of Public Administration, New Delhi. He was living in AH block and on the 8th Main Road, Anna Nagar, Chennai 40. The third person is Mr. P. Subbarayulu, LM number 1804. He was 71 years old when he died on 1st May 2020. He was living in First Street, Kasturi Nagar, Korattur, Chennai 80. The fourth member was LM number 151, Mrs. Tara Natarajan. She was the wife of Dr. Avai Natarajan, Dean of Madurai Medical College. She was 88 years old, and she expired on 14th August 2020, one day prior to the Independence Day. She used to take active part in our associations when it was a few years ago. Thereafter, it became very difficult for her to join all the meetings, but she was also always interested in our activities. Then the third one is, last one is LM number 409, Mrs. Jalaja. She was the wife of our Mr. V.R. Ananthakrishnan, who was formerly our treasurer. He went away to America and they probably got a green card and all that. Recently, they came down to India and were here. Unfortunately, the lady contracted coronavirus and she passed away soon after. In fact, the death itself was not known to Mr. V.R. Ananthakrishnan. He was only shown the video of the burial ceremony. That was the way it was handled. So we will observe a few seconds, observe silence in honor of these departed souls.
தெரியாது பாருங்க ஃபேஸ்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, I'll read out the names of persons who have recently joined admission of new members. One is Dr. P.K. Raja, consultant physician from Mylapore. Next is Mr. E. Ganeshan, retired assistant executive engineer of the R&D department. He lives in Kadalur. LM number 3096, U. Krishna Kumar, senior technician, ICF, who lives in Villivakam. The details of their address I'll give in the next edition of our journal. Actually, in the last 6 months, we have not had many admissions because we are not functioning and people were not in a position to come and join. So far, from the beginning of the year, we have had only 5 or 6 people joining this association. Now we'll have to technically show them as having joined in a physical meeting at a later date, because otherwise we'll have to pay some admission fee to the registrar, which is around 600 rupees per person, which is nearly half of what we are collecting from them as a live membership fee. So that manipulation will be done by me later on when sending reports to the district registrar. Now, in between, I skipped this accounts for the month of August. I request Dr. Ramasamy to, the accounts have already been circulated. Copy is available with Dr. Ramasamy. He will read out, I don't want him to read out the whole accounts. I have just underlined in yellow what are the salient features. It's enough if you mention all those things. I request Mr. Ramasamy to unmute and read out the accounts.
The account for the life membership is received for 500. ID fee 300. Donation 500. FD bar savings interest credited 8,009. Through advertisement, the rest of the is 20,000. Total 1,68,035. Receipts side. On the payment side, audit fees 2,000. Salaries 10,900. Elders printing 17,920. renewal fees 2,003.
That is a domain remaining.
And the remaining amount in the bank deposit and SBF, the total 160,655. So this month specifically through advertisement is a good amount. Total deposits on 2020 2 lakhs 9,000 rupees. The cash in overseas bank UOB 1,03,536. Cash in SIP 4,748. Cash DCP 34. Total 10 lakhs 3,270. This for the month of August. Any, sir?
That finishes the accounts, isn't it? Okay. As he pointed out, the major receipt for this month is advertisement. From foundations, people are continuing to extend their patronage, and that is how we have been able to get 2 pages of advertisement for this month also. Our fixed deposit position is around 12.5 lakhs, and then cash at bank is 1 lakh, cash at TNSC is 24,000. These monies will come in handy when we conduct our 33rd AGM. So we will pass this account subject to audit. Kindly signify your acceptance by raising your hands. The next item to be discussed is 33rd AGM of Tansika. So you can chip in their ideas, and presently I have made some tentative arrangement for the meeting to be held on 11th October, by which time I expect that it should be possible to hold a physical meeting, not an online meeting. So we will hold an online, but the conditions prescribed by the government for holding physical meetings include distancing, social distancing. There should be at least some 6 feet distance between person and person. So the hall, when seating arrangements are made that way, can hold only around 70 people.
70.
We'll have to restrict the admission to 70 people, and we'll say that we are doing this because of this corona situation. I'm sure people will find it convenient, agree to it, and find that we are doing the right thing. Anyway, we'll send it also by message to circulate. When we send the notice, we'll also indicate that those who are don't want to come, please indicate, so that we'll limit the admission to 70, which is the number of seats available. Yeah. So that is one thing we'll have to do as far as this meeting is concerned. We'll provide sanitization, that the sanitary chemicals and all that available. We'll ask everyone to wear a mask, because we have to observe all those formalities. Mask will be there, distancing will be there, no handshaking, and what do you call this? Sanitizing will be done. So those are the precautions we will take as far as this physical meeting is concerned. That is the other part of the meeting, that is the agenda, resolutions to be passed, and any other thing that we want to discuss in the AGM. Please think about it and let me know. I will send out the notice with sufficient notice in advance. The AGM, at least 21 days advance has to be given. So if we are holding the meeting 10th of October, 11th October, which is a Sunday, then 10 days in September also will go. Around 15th or 16th of September, you must let me know what are the things that you want to be featured in the AGM. It could be in the form of a resolution so that we can pass it as a resolution. It is customary on our part to submit resolution. Every year we have been doing what are the requirements of senior citizens. We have been telling the government a long list of our wants we have been sending. They have been very religiously sent and religiously received and filed. No action is being taken. That is the situation we have been facing. We will do that this year also, but probably with some new ideas which may perhaps invite some attention. That is about the resolutions to be passed in the meeting. There was a suggestion that we could make an amendment to our AGM to invite Pondicherry people also to be enable Pondicherry people also to become members of our association. But that involves transgressing the state boundaries, and maybe the registrar will raise some jurisdictional issues. So we'll have to examine that before we venture out with that suggestion. Make an amendment, at the most we'll get about 30-40 people as members. But remember, getting every additional member is not a source of revenue for us, it is a liability. A member comes in with only 1,600 rupees as his life membership fee. 100 rupees goes away for making that ID card. So 1,500 only enters our coffers. That 1,500 will yield at the rate of 6%, which is the going rate for fixed deposits. 6%. It will fetch us only about 90 rupees as a return for the year. That means our services, but our services are much more valuable than 90 rupees. We spend so much money on correspondence, postage, maintenance of office and all that. Per capita expenditure exceeds 90 rupees, as our accounts would show. So we'll see whether later on the membership fees itself has to be raised to cover. We don't have to end up in losses. The magazine that we are giving to them, that costs us about 16 to 17,000 rupees a month. In a year, it costs us 2 lakhs. Even if 2,000 people go per person, we are spending 1,000 rupees on the bringing out the magazine itself. See what an amount of expenses we incur on account of admission of members. If the admission is restricted, maybe we can restrict the loss also. Now you can think on it also. If necessary, if you want to make any suggestions in that regard, you please see. But the existing system will continue until we make a conscious change in it. That is one other thing which we have to discuss, which Dr. Bhaskar also is keen on talking about, is the use to which we have to put this Arumbakam house. Mr. Baladandamani, who was a partial tenant there, only using it as a night shelter, he has also moved away. So now the equipment given by Helpage India has also become useless. So that has also been returned. So the place is totally empty. and is very in a good condition, of course, to conduct any proceedings that we want, any events that we want, and so on. So you must think on those lines and find out how best we can make use of this Arumbakam house. I would invite Dr. Bhaskar to give us views on that.
Yes,
Dr. Bhaskar.
I will. I was thinking that you should form a small subcommittee, and with ex officio member, and a subcommittee will go through the whole setup, and then come out with some suggestions how it can be used better. One of them that comes to my mind is the medical services camp that we are conducting here can be shifted there. But that also subcommittee must examine the various pros and cons and then come out of this. And the second point I want to mention is our agenda says loss of, the General Secretary mentioned that you lose money. Instead, can we not think of increasing the admission fees? That is for you to think about it and come out with some suggestion. Thank you.
One idea is, it has been mentioned to me, that we shift of their office itself to Arumbakam, and office can be located there. That will be one good way of using that place for our benefit. But much more than that is to use it as a medical center, physiotherapy center, or a recreational center, for which grants can come from the government.
Oh.
This year, the ISCON, All India Confederation, they asked me to submit some proposal for a project for which the government grant can be obtained. They said, we will help you to get them. Grant means there will be a capital grant, there will be a revenue grant. The revenue grant will meet nearly 80% of our expenses towards salary, rent, electricity, and all the usual expenses. The capital grant will meet 80% of the cost of the equipment that we might attempt to get. So we can even design some project which can be prepared and submitted to the Ministry of Social Welfare. They can give us the support, and we have to chip in around only 20%, which will not be heavy. So we can manage that. That option also is there. Kindly consider that option. Think on those lines and see whether you can come up with some project which we can use in that place. We can run in that place. That is one note. Physiotherapy center. I see Dr. Rajalakshmi laughing. Why do you want to laugh? We have to be ambitious. You have to be ambitious and want to do something.
No, not like that. Not like that. Actually, the
Successful.
Arumbakam property we have been discussing again and again. The project is ambitious and also good project. Actually, if you get some project, it is good. No, that is available, and I don't know. I have got lot of weightage for that project. But Arumbakam property is again and again discussing.
No, we tried to dispose it off.
Dispose it off.
The option of taking a rented accommodation with the money we put in the WFD, the interest, we can even meet the rent and go to a more comfortable place and all that. All those options are there. You can think of those things, and ultimately we'll choose something which we can really work on, subject to our limitations. All of us have our own limitations.
And also earlier, the subcommittee was constituted for disposing of the project, not utilizing the property. Now this time, the secretary is telling about utilizing the property. So a subcommittee can be formed, which can think about various measures and the fund also they can come out with that, and then we can discuss that with the your executive meeting, and then we'll decide. So this time the
Dr. Bhaskar,
yes,
you work on that idea of a subcommittee.
yes.
You choose people who can brainstorm and come up with some ideas. Let us see.
I will do it. I will do that. I will do it.
Kindly head that committee
Yes,
and make use of the services of people who can think
I
and
will certainly.
suggest some.
So it should be made.
Tentatively, we'll decide to form a committee to see how best that place can be used, exploited for the benefit of our association and the larger members also.
Actually, I think Dr. Bhaskar may not be available. We tried to conduct so many programs there, including games and all these things. No, with HelpAge, we had some physiotherapy equipment and all these things.
Yeah.
But even then, it was not running well. Actually, people didn't turn out to that place, particularly because of that place. That is a problem. When it is conducted in Mr. Rajsekharan's place, house, everybody was willing to come. Even if you conduct medical program there, nobody will come. That is my suppose. So we must be realistic. So however subcommittee we are putting.
Pessimism, we have to, because one day or other we will not be here all the while.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, we have been dragging with that. That's what I want to tell. Actually, I just may not be Dr. Bhaskar aware of all these things. I am not pessimistic. I am an optimistic person. Just I want to make a note of it. And Dr. Bhaskar, instead of going for his committee again to do these matters, so I don't think in the past it has not helped. So we must see something else. Okay.
I think I explained to you that earlier subcommittee was formed to dispose the property. This time I am suggesting the subcommittee will explore the possibilities of improving the services in that area.
Yeah. We'll do it. Satya, have you any ideas? You have been connected with so many women's organizations. So if you have any, you can come up with some ideas. You can unmute yourself before talking. Unmute panning. Yes, now you start.
Yes, sir. No idea.
You are always available.
எனக்கு என்னன்னா அது ரெண்டுக்கு விட்டு அந்த மணில வேற இடத்துல நம்ம ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல அந்த வாடகையில எடுத்து பண்ணலாமேன்னு தோணுது.
அது ஒரு ஐடியா, அது ஒரு ஆப்ஷன்.
அது பெஸ்ட் இல்லையா? ரெண்டுக்கு விட்டுட்டா இங்கே நம்ம ரெண்ட் கேக்குறாங்க அண்ணா நகர் லேடிஸ் கிளப்ல எல்லாம். அந்த மணி எடுத்து நம்ம ரெண்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு பெரிய இடத்துல பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா?
So that in getting a suitable place.
ஏன்னா இங்க எல்லாரும் வர்றதுக்கு கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இருக்கும்.
Actually,
so that must be centrally located, convenient to everybody to come and not only for our committee members, even the members.
Actually, we are using Dr. Mr. Rajsekharan's place without any commitment. You know, they're very freely using it. Now it has been taken up. Now he has shifted it. No, that is, it has taken for some other purpose. So we must find another place very near to us, approachable to us. For rent, we must take a one hall or one place like that, where we can have a REC meeting and small meeting like that. So we can give it for rent or we can dispose the property. But getting a property is something difficult. But we have been trying to use it, but we are not able to do it. In all the years we are trying. Rajsekharan has been putting lot of effort to conduct programs there. He used to go and conduct programs.
In letting it out, maybe you'll get around 10,000 or 15,000 rupees for that small flat. But then the person, if he makes himself very comfortable there, he will never move out of the problem.
Eviction will be a problem
for the trust, because no revenue code, no rental code will give permission for vacation, because after all the owner is only a trust, not an individual who is subject to any hardship. So that becomes a very tricky situation, which I think we should avoid thinking of letting it out on rent. People should trust properties, temple properties, and they can't never ever get them out.
I am with one women organization. We have got a property at Pallikarnai. Actually, we built it. We built it, but a women hostel was constructed, but it has been given for lease. Every 3 years we shift them. We make them to go, and some other person is coming. So like that, we can buy somewhere in Thiruvarkadu or somewhere one property for senior citizen. We can lease it out for somebody. So that is going on
We will
properly.
explore all the options. The committee will go into all those options and tell us what is the best way to deal with it. But something has to be done because we have been
Has to be
having
done.
this property for the last 8 years and we have not made much use of it. We have to do something about it. If the
At
money-
some time only they will.
to at least 5 lakhs a year. So we'll work on that idea. I am feeling a little guilty of having purchased that property and not made use of it for so long.
Of course, we
You-
cannot
you-
buy a property in Anna Nagar, but we can buy a property in some suburb where it is easily available. Some
Suburbs, yes, we can, but whether it can serve the purpose of all our members, it's very difficult to say.
actually we can organize
And
some
also-
senior citizen hostel or something like that. Give it for rent, actually release. So that can be
A
done.
small
And we can
hospital
earn
or
some
a
money.
medical center where people will have to come, they will come. So we'll see, irrespective of the distance, but where people are wanting only the service, and they won't mind the location. So we can go out of the city to suburban places also. I agree with you.
Out of the
We
city,
can
some
try.
comfortable place is there. Actually 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, we can get a good portion, good flat or a good household also out of the city. Near, you go near this thing, actually Perungudi or in the OMR or even in
I mean,
Thiruvarkadu this side.
in
We can
gated
get a
communities,
place.
supposing we are able to get one flat, the members of the gated committee also can be taken
can
in
get-
members and they'll also become making use of it.
That
That will be
particular
part.
the particular flat is not comfortable. That's all. Otherwise, they can use it. We can use it and give it for some lease for some hostel or something. And this also temporarily we can give it for a lease for senior hostel or something like that if somebody is willing. So we can advertise and see it also. So putting a subcommittee and after some time closing the file, that doesn't serve any purpose. You can put a subcommittee. I'm openly coming and
Do
telling.
you have any ideas? You can unmute and tell us.
Which one?
Arumbakam, what is the best
Yes.
way to use it?
Yes, I told you the.
No, Thiruvengalam. I am asking Thiruvengalam.
Form, so,
Unmute பண்ணுங்க. Unmute பண்ணிக்கங்க.
Sir,
Now you tell.
good evening, everybody.
Because in that area.
Not the right time to dispose the property because during Corona times, the value of the property will be much lower. This is not
disposing.
And it is a good time to buy another property also.
Madam Rajalakshmi was saying you can buy 60-70 lakhs property in Perungudi. Perungudi minimum 1 crore.
really?
So we can buy in Ayapakam, sir. Ayapakam.
Ayappakam means, oh right, Ayappakam can be. Okay.
It's a good place, sir.
People feel very difficult to come to Arumbakam. What about Ayappakam?
It may be even it's far away. It's far away. It's beyond Ambattur.
Beyond
also
You are going.
So, it's not just the property, but what you want to do there that will make the property useful.
elders home. We can do.
Who manage it?
Somebody
all
we
those
have,
questions will
somebody
have to
we
be
have to lease it
All
out.
those questions will
Somebody
have to
we
be
have to lease it out.
It will not be. It should not be another dead investment like it in Arambakam.
Yeah.
Mrs. Jayamani, have you any ideas? Unmute பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. I want every one of you to talk.
Unmute பண்ணுங்க. Unmute பண்ணுங்க.
If we are going to listen, people will talk. If we are not going to listen, people won't talk.
இல்ல. Unmute. Jaimini.
இல்ல I'm
இல்ல
not able to hear you.
போன்ல
You have to unmute.
சொல்லுங்க.
அந்த மைக்ல ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. மைக்ல ஒரு குறுக்கு கோடு இருக்குல்ல, அது எடுத்தா தான் பேசுறது. நீங்க பேசுறது
அவர்
கேட்கும்.
சொல்லுது. That-
Hello, sir. Do you hear me?
Yes. Now
Hello.
I can-
Hello.
நல்லா கேக்குது.
Yeah.
பேசுங்க. Keep the
Hello, sir.
cell phone near your mouth so that we can get the sound.
Hello.
பேசுங்க.
நல்லா
நீங்க பேசுங்க.
நல்லா கேக்குது.
Sir, we can let it for renting. 11 months agreement. 1 month we can renew the agreement if they are okay. Otherwise, after 11 months, we can ask them to vacate. That's how we have to
As I
manage
was
the
telling you earlier,
rent. Hello?
renting has the danger of losing the
But
property
location,
forever.
location good. People may. Hello. Hello. Do you hear me, sir?
இப்போ கேக்குதுமா?
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க. Make
சொல்லுங்க.
it short.
கேக்குது, நீங்க பேசுங்க.
Okay. நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதா சார்?
கேக்குது.
நல்லா கேக்குது.
கேக்குது ரொம்ப நல்லா கேக்குது.
சார்
ஏமணி மேடம் நீங்க
ரெண்ட்டுக்கு விடுறது பெஸ்ட். ஒன் ஆஃப் த வேக்கண்டா வைக்கிறத விட ரெண்ட் விடலாம். ரெண்ட்டுக்கு விடுற போது 11 months அக்ரிமெண்ட். 11 months அதை ரெனியூ பண்ணிக்கிட்டே வரலாம். If you are not happy with the people staying there, we can ask them to vacate. There won't be much problem.
இல்லம்மா ட்ரஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ரெண்ட்டுக்கு விட்டா வெக்கேட் பண்றது கஷ்டம். அதான் செக்ரட்டரி சார் சொன்னாரு.
சார்
ட்ரஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியை விடக்கூடாது.
ரெண்ட்டுக்கு விட்டோம்னா டெனன்ட்டை வெக்கேட் பண்றது கஷ்டம். அவ்வளவு ஈஸியா வெக்கேட் பண்ண.
அதான் அக்ரிமெண்ட் போட சொல்றாங்க அவங்க.
அக்ரிமெண்ட் போடாம யார் ரெண்ட் கொடுவா? அக்ரிமெண்ட் போட்டு தான் சொல்றேன் நானு.
ஓகே.
இல்ல ட்ரஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வீக் பாயிண்ட் தான்.
ஓனர்ஷிப் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா எடுத்துவாங்க.
You can never evict them.
பண்ண முடியாது.
Okay, sir. Now we have had enough discussion on this Arumbakam. Jayal Babu, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I want to say, see, we are having a property in Arumbakam.
Ramsamy also wants to join. Okay.
We are having a property at Arumbakam, and we are all discussing how to take some income out of that. Instead of that, see, this is a difficult situation. What Sir says that when you give it on rent, to vacate them will become a problem. It's a problem.
Very big,
The trust
very
is
big problem.
It is an individual family person. Suppose I am having a property renting out, I can take free action. As a trust, it is very difficult. I agree with that.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Why not we? My suggestion. See, why we should worry about a small property little away from our all old people living here, and then think about how to get a revenue out of it. Why not we sell that and put it in FD? We get a revenue return properly, and that is much better than the rent.
That should be the last option because having a property is a valuable thing. It's an
We are
asset.
struggling to
Anyway,
get income out of that. We are not able to use it because of the location.
Yeah. So, but if you sell it away and get the money and put it in the bank, there is
Yes.
a risk of wasting it away, losing the
Can
money.
I talk?
Anyway, that property cannot be put to much use as it appears now. Why not we sell that and put it in FD, and if we want to buy something later, that money is available.
Bhaskar was saying that we can have a medical camp there or medical
Medical
doctor
center.
where elderly people can have some medication, free medication. That will be a service to senior, and it is centrally located in the city and easy of approach. So that way we can do something there to help people. That is one
Yes.
option. At Ramsamy, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Hello.
ரெண்டாவது
நான் ஒண்ணு சொல்றேன்.
Ramsamy, நீங்க
Can
சொல்லுங்க.
I talk? Sir,
Mrs.
ராமசாமி
ஒரு
சொல்லுங்க.
ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வித்துட்டு இன்னொரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி தான் நல்லது சார். ஏன்னா ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்ம அசோசியேஷனுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அதுதான் வந்து முக்கியமானது. இப்ப நீங்க என்ன சொன்னீங்க, இந்த ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு ஒரு ஐடியால சொன்னீங்க. அதனால வந்து அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியை வித்துட்டு இன்னொன்னு வாங்குறதுனாதான் இருக்கு. மணி வேல்யூ வில் கெட் ரெடியூஸ்ட். அதனால my suggestion is we'll wait till yes sir. Hello.
Audio clear இல்ல sir?
Now I'm able to hear him. He did not unmute.
இப்போ clear-ஆ இருக்கு.
I have another suggestion.
நீங்க திருப்பி மைக் வர வச்சிட்டீங்க. மைக்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
Another suggestion.
மைக்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. மைக்க ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. மைக் ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க சார். now that is
unmute பண்ணுங்க.
Life rupees 1,000. We can propose and get it approved. Life membership is 2,000.
life membership
Is it okay?
fee should be increased, is it?
Yes, because we find it difficult to study in other
Voice break.
teachers and yes.
Sir, can't help
The
it.
life membership is rupees 2,000.
Life
Can't hear it.
membership fee, scope for increasing it much is not there.
2,000.
2,000 you say, but
Yes,
the difference is only 400
Old
rupees.
members, we need not collect for new members only.
See, 400 rupees in a lifetime increase is not much. It's not even every year you get 400 rupees more. It's one-time payment, 400. So we'll have to think of some other way of generating funds. Some donations, sponsorships, some patronage, some big people patronaging it. That kind of only will give you some more money. Raising the membership will dissuade people from joining. From 1,600, if you raise it to 2,000, some senior citizens say 2,000 is too high for me. And after all, for us, it means only 400 rupees more. So it won't carry you too far. Anyway, who is not joined? Trinyanam, solunga.
இல்ல நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி
Gone to sleep. Solunga.
like நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி we'll have to look out for
Unmute பண்ணுங்க.
sponsorship பண்ணலாம். அதை கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம்.
அன்மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. டாக்டர் பேசுறா பேசுங்க.
இல்ல அத நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த ஸ்பான்சர்ஷிப் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். Because we have got a reputation of serving for a long time, we can think of sponsorship. No strings attached.
So your committee, please ask them to trash it out completely and come up with an acceptable solution. In the meantime, I'll tell you one recent incident which has happened in our association. In Coimbatore, there is an orphanage. Old lady is there. So one day, I got a letter, email, supposed to be from that lady. She's saying that I'm suffering too much. I'm not being looked after very well. My son and daughter-in-law, they're all plotting to kill me. Then my daughter is not able to help me, and so on. Very miserable picture she painted in that mail. We are wondering what to do about this, how we can help and all that. In the meantime, her son phoned up saying, what is his name? Venugopala Raju has written on behalf of your association, alleging that we are not looking after our parents, which is not true. You can ask my mother, or you can even ask that orphanage how they are being looking after. My mother is being looked after. Then I asked him to send a copy of that letter, which is sent. Then I found to my shock that this letter is a fake letter. It is a imitation of our letterhead, our association letterhead. The name of the association is there, the address is there, phone number is there. But the office bearers, I have got some of your names there, that is not there significantly. This Venugopala Raju styles himself as a senior advocate of the Madras High Court and has threatened this son and daughter, saying you must take your mother out of the orphanage, get her a separate room, paying a rent of 10,000 rupees, give her a maintenance of 10,000 rupees, and put a nurse in charge of the care of her. So all these expenses you must meet. Otherwise, we will file a suit against you in the High Court. That's what he threatened. Then he has also sent a similar letter to this daughter who is in Hyderabad. The Hyderabad letter did not get delivered because the door number was not there. So it was returned to the post office from where it emanated, saying we could not find this person. The post office in turn sent it to the return letter office, where they opened it and found the name of our association. So they have sent the original of the letterhead to us. Then that showed me clearly that the letterhead has been duplicated. That this Palasamy has signed, but he has not given his advocate registered number or his phone number or his address or such thing. Then I made some inquiries with the Advocates Association in Coimbatore and in Chennai. And they said, to our knowledge, there is no Venugopal Swamy senior advocate. Then I brought this to the notice of our president, Kalimuthu, and he said, we will give a police complaint. So they said that it should not be a mere police complaint. We'll have to address the senior officers because our reputation is at stake. Somebody has millions of our and try to threaten people, frighten them, try to extract some money and all that. And on top of it is used our letterhead. So we have drafted a complaint to the Commissioner of Police, Coimbatore, sent a copy to our DGP, what is his name? Sripal? No, not Sripal. Tripathi. And then we also sent it to the additional DGP. Additional DGP is one Akhtar Ali or some Muslim gentleman, my direct recruit, and Kalimuthu was saying is a very dynamic person. Actually, he is the one who is going to investigate this and do it. So let us give him a copy to him. I have given all these copies to them and asked them to find out who this Venugopal Swamy is and whether he is really an advocate and whether that too a senior advocate of the Madras High Court. So that apart, I have sent a copy of this thing to the Bar Council of High Court of Madras, pointing out that one person alleging to be an advocate of the Madras High Court is doing all these things. I have also sent it to the Bar Council of India. So much of work has been done to prevent any abuse, because obviously he is in possession of one of our letterheads. And the logo has also been reproduced to give an impression of authenticity. The resemblance is very much there, but it's not real. So that is what has been pointed out to all these people. It's a 3-page complaint giving all the details, and hope this mischief maker is found out and punished. We have to guard ourselves. It's not, I thought running an association is not that easy. So many hurdles you might come across. This kind of problems also we might come across. Because now we have become a well-known association, an association of repute. So people try to take advantage of the goodwill that we have gained, threatening others to make money and all that. So we have to stop this practice. So some exemplary action has to be taken against them, given extraordinary punishment given. I hope something happens. I'm keeping you all informed to tell you what has been done at our end.
For no fault of
This is
yours.
very unfortunate.
For no fault of yours. We have to
Was not spoken.
different.
Everybody has spoken. Selvaraj has not spoken because his mic is still closed.
Hello?
Selvaraj, open the
Sir?
mic and tell us what you think.
Sir, last time in the meeting இது வரல சார் எனக்கு வீடியோ ஆடியோ வீடியோ வரல இந்த டைம் அனுப்புங்க ப்ளீஸ் லாஸ்ட் டைம் மீட்டிங் ஆடியோ வீடியோ எனக்கு வரல வாட்ஸ்அப்ல இந்த தடவை
Sound is not enough, is it?
Mr.
I'm not able to
must take care of it. He must send
The mic
audio video.
not
Previous month I didn't receive. At least for this month I must receive it. Please.
What are you saying?
We audio and video she won.
You want the recorded one, huh? Nobody got the recorded one.
Because it may cross flow.
சார் நான் ஒரு 2 பாயிண்ட் சொல்லணும்.
சொல்லுங்க.
சார் இப்போ அந்த வெர்ச்சுவல் மீட்டிங் பத்தி சொன்னீங்களே ஏஜிஎம், ஏற்கனவே ஒரு பெரிய கம்பெனி மீட்டிங் நான் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் வெர்ச்சுவலா.
The companies are now allowed virtual meetings.
அது எப்படி
The company law has been make a specific provision enabling that. See, they spend lakhs and lakhs on this meeting. So they say it is much cheaper to have a meeting on the virtual basis. The balance sheet and the other paperwork that they do for holding physical meetings runs into 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs and things like that. But online, as it is, proxy is allowed. So they can have a election by proxy also. That is a very complicated procedure which they have evolved for these companies who are holding their AGM online. But after a while, I'm told they will revert to physical meetings only. Then what is the other point?
Other point, sorry, போன மாசம் நீங்க ஆபீஸ் அங்க ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணனும்னு சொன்னீங்க.
That is the garage portion of my house has fallen vacant. So I intend shifting my office there. I can even shift the association's office also.
அப்படி இருந்தா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வருவாங்க.
Has to be let out. But we can carry on our activities. The office can be here at the rear of the building as it was before. In the initial stages, that is how we were functioning. The office of the association was functioning in the garage. There's one room over it also, which can be made use of. All the records can be kept there in that room. And we can have our EC meetings, physical meetings, as usual in my upstairs room. But this is only to, my income also is sagging. Corona and all that. Just to boost that, I am thinking of that.
வைஸ் பிரசிடென்ட்க்கு ஏதாவது அடிபட்டு இருக்கா?
ஆமா, அதனால தான் நான் வீடியோல வர மாட்டேன்னு சொன்னேன். Everybody will be worried about this.
Corona has taken a severe toll of the lives of people, their living, income, the nation's economy. Very terrible. Selvaraj, you want to say something? சொல்லுங்க. You should also participate.
செல்வராஜ் எப்பவுமே நீங்க சொன்னாதான் சொல்லுவாரு, அது கூட சொல்ல மாட்டாரு.
எதுங்க மைக்?
Mike, I can hear you. Your mic is also
நல்லா கேக்குது.
பேசுங்க. அதோ பின்னாடி trying to help you. Yes.
என்ன சார் சொல்லணும்?
சொல்லுங்க. Anything that you want to say in the
என்ன சொல்லணும்?
Of our association.
என்ன சொல்லணும்னு சொல்லிட்டா
பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இல்ல அசோசியேஷனை ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாரு, அதை பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. ஏற்கனவே அந்த இப்ப கேன்டீன் இருந்தது, அந்த கேன்டீன்ல போற மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காரு.
எது
கேன்டீனுக்கு அப்புறம் அங்க அரும்பாக்கம் போகணும்னு சொல்லி
ஏஜிஎம்க்கு டென்டேட்டிவா I have booked the hall for 11th of October. Please keep that in mind. The necessary notices with enough statutory requirement and all this will go.
11th October.
Ah.
I
11th
don't
October
think
is
that it is a
Sunday.
possibility of having a meeting in 11th October also. Corona not subsidized by then.
Corona will last long up to 2021 January.
Oh, 21
21,
actually.
yes.
Till vaccine is,
Until
we are all,
vaccine
the
comes.
victims are mostly senior citizens.
By the time the
But
vaccine
how
comes,
can we hold a senior
Corona
citizen?
would have mutated and the vaccine will no longer be useful.
Yes, mutation nalla no
It is
vaccine will
undergoing
last.
mutation. Already some mutation,
Yes.
muted samples have come.
The antibodies will be ineffective.
Correct. Sir.
Even
Sir,
our
we
bodies will be
spent nearly an hour. Can we close it, or you want to have anything more to be discussed?
Normally, we end up by asking the next host.
Next
இல்ல,
to
host
host
கிடையாது.
is only for physical meetings, not for we'll see whether our president can participate in the next EC meeting. 3rd October. 3rd October will be the next EC meeting.
Dr. Bhaskar, what happened?
I-
Have a wound on the forehead?
This is exactly what I wanted to avoid. Everybody will be worried about my
I'm not able to hear you. Many of you.
head injury.
Yes.
என்னாச்சு எங்க விழுந்தீங்க விழுந்தீங்களா
அது என்னன்னு கேட்கலாம். ஆமா சார், என்ன ஹெட் இன்ஜரி எல்லாம் இருக்கு?
பார்க்ல
Not corona, I suppose.
இல்ல not corona. பார்க்ல வாக்கிங் போயிட்டு வரும்போது ரெயின் வாட்டர் இருந்தது, அது ஸ்லிப் ஆயிடுச்சு.
சார் பார்க்கல
Now it's all right.
மூடிதான் இருக்கு.
Now it's all right.
பார்க் திறந்து 2 நாள் தான் ஆச்சு, அதுக்குள்ளே வந்துட்டீங்க.
அதுக்குள்ள போயிருக்கிறாரு.
I live right opposite the park, ma. The first day when நான் போயிருக்கணும், at least second day, third day போனேன்.
60 வயசுக்கு மேல பார்க்கல அலோடு கிடையாது இல்ல?
65 அது கிடையாது. அங்க கண்டெஸ்ட் பண்ணாங்க, சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் சொல்றாருக்கா, அவர் சொல்றாராம், அவரு சொல்லல, அது இவங்க கன்வென்ஷன் தான் இது. இது ரெக்வெஸ்ட்.
Right.
கோயில கூட 65
Have somebody with you or take a stick and go. People
Correct.
don't want to show that they are
Yeah,
becoming
exactly.
old. That is another thing. You must have a stick or a person with you.
So stick is more obedient than the person. And also stick can be used to drive away the rabid dogs. You know, there's an opportunity for me to share with you. The rabies is 100% killer.
Yeah.
Corona is only 10% killer.
Yeah.
We are underestimating the
About
rabies.
these online meetings, now it has become the fashion for
Now
everybody
actually
to have
dog
online.
population is improving. It is increasing in Anna Nagar.
Very
In Anna Nagar streets,
online meetings.
the street dogs are in, the number is increasing day by day.
Not only in Nanda Nagar, everywhere it is increased.
Everywhere.
So what to do?
So in our own case, there is one
இது
online
அரும்பாக்கம் என்ன சார் ஆச்சு? அரும்பாக்கம் டிசிஷன்
promotion
எடுத்தாச்சா?
of English. Promotion of English. And one group of people who are interested in English development or developing people to not to lose touch with English. அவங்க வந்து they will conduct an I'm also going to participate in it. அதுக்கப்புறம் then there is one online about psychology for senior citizens.
Oh, lovely. Very good.
Condition of most of the senior citizens.
It's a must.
And what kind of stress are they in the family, in the society, in times like this when there is a pandemic? How are they affected? And what is the protection or treatment that is available to them from the government side, from the medical world? All those things will be discussed. Some psychologists are joining. Then there is one other online meeting on the damage caused to economy and how the economy can be put back on its feet what kind of people have been affected most. All those things the people want to discuss in these kind of meetings. I will send the links whenever it comes. Those of you who are interested may join. Those of you who feel you can also contribute some thinking on that subject, you can send. Presently, these are the 3 online meetings. People have got in touch with me. Narayan classes also. Our Parthasaradhi participated recently in one online meeting which dealt with ortho problems.
I also
Partha,
attended.
Asked the speaker
yes.
to tell whether senior citizens all have deficiency in calcium. So he said, how do you make up for this deficiency? You can take calcium tablets, was the answer. Shelcal or some other tablets. To what extent it will arrest the deterioration of reduction in calcium strength of the bones? He participated, and the answer given was only 30% of your calcium intakes at this age will help you.
Correct.
Not
Correct.
as if you swallow a few calcium tablets and then your bone is strong, like a rod. It will not. There are other things to be done, a lot of exercises to be done, way of life way also is to be. Afsadi, can you tell us what they spoke about that in that
Yeah, exposure to sunlight.
Sir, I also attended that meeting.
Vitamin D.
I also attended that meeting. Orthopedic. அவர் சொன்னது அவர் வந்து டாக்டர் 45 வயசு ஆகுதுங்க. 25 வயசுல இருந்து அவருக்கு சுகர் இருக்கா. பட் அவர் சொன்னது இதுதான், வெளியே தான் போய் வாக்கிங் போங்க, ஒரு 1/2 ஹவருக்கு மேல வெயில்ல நடங்க, காலையிலயும் மாலையிலயும் அப்படின்னாரு. அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஒரு ரிலீஃபா இருக்கும்.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒருத்தர் சொன்ன என்ன சொன்னாருன்னா, ஹலோ
நல்லா கேக்குது, சொல்லுங்க.
அவர் சொன்னாரு, நீங்க மொட்டை மாடி போய் வீட்டுல துவைச்சு காய போட்டீங்கன்னாக்கா சூரிய ஒளி நல்லா படும், வேலை செஞ்ச மாதிரியும் இருக்கு. மொட்டை மாடியில துணி காய போட்டீங்கன்னா அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அந்த வைட்டமின் டி உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும்னு எனக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க ஒருத்தர்.
Vitamin D is available only between 11 to 2, not mornings வராது.
இல்ல 11 to 2 நம்ம போடலாம். 11 to 2
அதான் அது தெரியணும். ரொம்ப பேர் வாக்கிங் போகும்போது they think they are getting vitamin D. No. ரெண்டாவது, இந்த கால்சியம் டேப்லெட் சும்மா சாப்பிட்டு இருந்தோம்னா ஸ்டோன்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடும். Without a medical supervision, it should not be swallowed. இந்த கவுண்டர்ல போய் கேட்டா கொடுத்துட்றான் அவன். கால்சியம் டேப்லெட் கேட்டா எது சீப்பஸ்ட், அது மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ராஃபிட் வரதா கொடுத்துருவான். பட் it will produce more harm. It may not relieve the arthritis.
சார், இப்ப விட்டமின் D3 டேப்லெட் கேப்சூல்ஸ் வருது சார், வீக்லி ஒன்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறது, அதை எடுத்துக்கிட்டா
எதுமேமா you must go through a doctor. You should go through a doctor. He will do the blood test for vitamin D. You have to take it. And post-menopausal people.
Thank all of you for participation. I think it's time to bring the meeting in.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Well conducted.
Thank you very much.
And participated in all the discussions.
Thank you.
for me in that.